I had to realize that I did not know everything, did not see everything. My assumptions, my beliefs were completely cracked,
Wow.
shattered, but I got to build it back. And so, with that, coming back to Louisiana, with my newfound and self created belief system and values, challenging relationships, I would say that whenever there's people who love you, they want the best for you, but they're also stuck or like they're also in their own world. And so whenever they see you changing for the good or for the bad, there might be a little hesitation there. And you just got to know what's true to your like in you to you and trust. I keep going back to trust because that's kind of the largest thing
Mm.
that I have is trust knowing all is going to be fine. All is well. God and the universe is always working in your favor. Even if you look like the outcast, it's better to be the outcast knowing your beliefs and your values than being accepted into something that just doesn't feel right to you.